So here we are at the beginning of January 2025. It's cold outside, but I'm in the garage to have a look at a clock that was given to me from a great friend at the church. It's a clock of great family value, and he asked me to have a look at it. The hour and minute hand were just hanging loose inside the dial. He'd taken it to a clock repairer to have a look at that, and they didn't want to know. They said no, it's not repairable. So what have we got here? We've got a mechanism here. I would think it's German. This is looking at the front. We have the three keys here, so it's a strike and chime mechanism. You can see the hammers here for hitting the hammers on the bottom of the clock. And on the back you can see where the pendulum hangs there. But the problem was this is the arbor that the hands sit on, and the main wheel arbor that is in the center of the clock here, that comes out the front at this point here, has broken, and that is the end of the arbor there. You can see which is broken off from there. So what the job I've got in my hand here is to actually repair the main arbor. There's a lot of videos online which shows how to repair the pivots on the end of arbors, but I haven't seen one that actually shows the repair of an arbor itself. So big job, never done anything like this before, but gonna have a go. It means a complete strip down of the clock to get the main wheel out, so I can get the two halves and see how I'm going to join the arbor together. The next video will show me working on this. Let me know in the comments whether you'd like to see me just show the repair of the arbor itself, or whether you want to see me actually strip this down, because it's going to need a clean anyway. Strip this down and then reassemble afterwards. Depends how much detail you want to see on this one. So let me know in the comments, and hopefully I'll get onto this very soon. Okay, bye for now.